Hello everybody, here a unboxing from a order from Amazon and not from AliExpress. And you know the title already. It is another Pagani design watch. And we all know it is a Homage watch. And this is a different packing than the other ones I received. And let me try to get it out. It's a nice packing here, I must say. Alright. Ooh. And this ugly blue cleaning cloth. I don't like that color. But this is it. Wow. Wow. Whoa. Whew. It is very precious. And let me get it out. There is some other stuff inside, I would assume. But I am more for the watch here. Wow. Okay, so details. Pagani design, manufacture, model PD-1783. It is a date President Homage watch from 2023. Stainless steel case and bracelet. And the bracelet is, of course, the presidential bracelet. With a hidden clasp. And it is the 40mm version, DD40, not the 36. 36, to my opinion, too small these days, unless you have a small wrist. My wrist is 8-inch, so that is perfect. Let me see. We have a Sapphire glass with AR, anti-reflection, a Cyclops, which seems to be kinda alright aligned. And they never get 100%. I don't know why. But this was cheaper than the one from AliExpress. AliExpress just announced that for, yeah. And I researched, and suddenly they went even up with the price. And I checked in Amazon, and even the shipping was much faster. So it came in within like 4 or 5 days, I think. Yeah, 12mm height, very moderate, and the movement supposed to be it doesn't say Seiko, but it does say in the description, what does it say? TMI Japan, TMINH36A, of course, automatic. So, and it says actually on the rotor. And you see all the plastic is on there. I took the blue one, but I really actually do not like much the Roman indices, but the golden one I didn't want, I don't trust, because when the gold is off, then it looks very ugly. And the green and another color was there, or purple, no like. So I have the blue Pagani design here, which is basically a date-just homage with a Jubilee bracelet, stainless steel case. It seems like almost pretty much the same case. I'm not 100% sure, but it looks like. Psycho NH35. This is the Cadison I ordered prior. It has that Myota movement, which does not have a hack. I found that this is kind of inconvenient, and The winding, the hand winding is a kind of rough, not as smooth as the ones from Seiko. So let me zoom in here, hopefully a little bit, and you can see. But these are very nice watches, and I'm not sure about the lume here, but I think there is no lume at all. It's a dress watch, so that is fine. This here has some lume, which is pretty good actually. This has also some lume, but the hands are very, very low in the lume. Anyway, I just want to show that to you real quick. The blue is very, very nice, as you can see. It's pretty much identical, but what I see is the Pagani design is, I think, applied with chrome. And here it is printed. Actually, this looks better than the other one, but it fits to the Roman indices, so that's fine. I think I will be very happy with that watch because I like that very, very much. So, and with the date function, sometimes I forget the day we have in the week, but that helps me a little bit. It is there, I take it, all good. So, with this said, thanks for watching, and I have some more watches in my collection I'll show to you later on. And I really appreciate you all watch my videos. I'm gonna remove the plastic and all that good stuff and make a short video. Thank you for watching.